videos, please subscribe, like and share.
Hello students, today we will learn common errors in the use of words. इंग्लिश में कुछ मिस्टेक्स ऐसी हैं जिन्हें सभी ऑलमोस्ट करते हैं। छोटी मोटी हैसियत के कर्मचारी हों या हाई पोस्ट वाले, लेडीज़ हों या जेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स हों या बिजनेसमैन, दुकानदार हो या कोई कारीगर, आपस की बातचीत में इन गलतियों से वास्ता पड़ता है। ये वो मिस्टेक्स हैं जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में सभी कर जाते हैं। आज हम इन्हीं मिस्टेक्स को करेक्ट करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज माई हेयर्स आर ब्लैक. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is my hair is black. Next is I need a blotting. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I need a blotting paper. Next is he works better than me. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he works better than I. Next is I availed of the opportunity. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I availed myself of the opportunity. Next is the two brothers are quarreling with one another. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is the two brothers are quarreling with each other. Next is he is guilty, isn't it? This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he is guilty, isn't he? The next sentence is I beg you leave. This is incorrect sentence. Correct sentence is I beg leave of you. Next is he is more cleverer than his brother. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he is cleverer than his brother. Next sentence is the gold is a precious metal. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is gold is a precious metal. Next is she has got headache. This is incorrect sentence. Correct sentence is she has got a headache. Next is stop to write. This is incorrect sentence. Correct sentence is stop writing. Next is it is raining for 4 hours. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is it has been raining for 4 hours. Next is I live in Lajpat Nagar at New Delhi. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I live at Lajpat Nagar in New Delhi. The next sentence is work hard lest you may not fail. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is work hard lest you should fail. Next sentence is the boy is neither fool or lazy. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is the boy is neither fool nor lazy. अभी हमने इन 15 सेंटेंसेस में और एरर्स वाले सेंटेंसेस देखे और इसके अंदर डिफरेंट एरर्स थे जिन्हें हमें सीखना और समझना है. Now we will learn errors in the use of nouns like scenery, issue, hair, furniture, machinery, fruit, and poor, rich, bread, work. ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ये सिंगुलर फॉर्म में रहते हैं, राइट? आइए हम इन्हें सेंटेंसेस में देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द सीनरी ऑफ शिमला आर वेरी चार्मिंग. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस. द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज द सीनरी ऑफ शिमला इज वेरी चार्मिंग. नेक्स्ट इज Sarla has no issues. The correct sentence is Sarla has no issue. Next is she had gone to buy fruits. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is she had gone to buy fruit. Next is her hairs are jet black. The correct sentence is her hair is jet black. Next is the mother feeds the poor. The correct sentence is the mother feeds the poor. Next is I told these news to my father. The correct sentence is I told this news to my father. Next is the fleet were destroyed by the enemy. The correct sentence is the fleet was destroyed by the enemy. Next is these buildings are made of bricks and stones. The correct sentence is these buildings are made of brick and stone. Next is I have no more breads to give to the beggars. The correct sentence is I have no more bread to give to the beggars. Next is I will go to the town on feet. The correct sentence is I will go to the town foot. Next is all her furnitures have been sold. The correct sentence is all her furniture has been sold. Next is the machineries are not functioning properly. The correct sentence is the machinery is not functioning properly. Next is I have many works to do. The correct sentence is I have a much work to do. Advise, mischief, abuse, alphabet. ये वर्ड्स सिंगुलर में ही रहते हैं. एडवाइजेस आदि प्लूरल नहीं होते, बल्कि इस प्रकार कहा जाता है, pieces of advice. Now we will learn in sentences. First is, the teacher gave us many advices. The correct sentence is, the teacher gave us many pieces of advice. Next is, my younger brother did many mischiefs. Correct sentence is, my younger brother did many acts of mischief. Next is, the boys were shooting abuses. The correct sentence is, the boys were shooting words of abuse. Next is, I have learnt the alphabets. The correct sentence is, I have learnt the letters of the alphabet. Rupee, dozen, mile, year, foot. ये वर्ड्स सब न्यूमरल नंबर्स में आते हैं, जो सदा सिंगुलर में ही यूज़ होते हैं. जैसे 5 रुपी नोट होगा, 5 रुपीज़ नोट नहीं होगा. नाउ वी विल यूज़ these words in sentences. I have a 5 rupees note. The correct sentence is, I have a 5 rupee note. Next is, we bought 2 dozens pencils. The correct sentence is, we bought 2 dozen pencils. Next is, he ran in a 2 miles race. The correct sentence is, he ran in a 2-mile race. Next is, Abida is a 10 years old girl. The correct sentence is, Abida is a 10-year-old girl. Next is, it's a 3 feet rule. The correct sentence is, it's a 3 foot rule. Vegetables, spectacles, trousers, Himalayas, people, orders, repairs. ये वर्ड्स प्लूरल में ही यूज़ होते हैं, सिंगुलर में नहीं होते. Now we use in sentences. I had gone to buy vegetables. The correct sentence is, I had gone to buy vegetables. Next is, the road is closed for repair. Correct sentence is, the road is closed for repairs. Next is, the judge passed order for his release. The correct sentence is, the judge passed orders for his release. Next is, very few peoples are hard working. The correct sentence is, very few people are hard working. Next is, his spectacle is very expensive. The correct sentence is, his spectacles are very expensive. Next is, the Caesar is blunt. The correct sentence is the scissors are blunt. Next is your trouser is not loose. Correct sentence is your trousers are not loose. Next is the Himalaya is the highest mountain. The correct sentence is the Himalayas are the highest mountains. Fish, deer, sheep, cattle ये वर्ड्स प्लूरल में ही यूज होते हैं और सिंगुलर में भी यूज होते हैं, यानी बोथ दोनों में यूज होते हैं, प्लूरल में भी और सिंगुलर में भी. We use in sentences now. The fisherman catches many fishes in the pond. The correct sentence is the fisherman catches many fish in the pond. Next is I saw many sheep and deer in the jungle. The correct sentence is I saw many sheep and deer in the jungle. Next is the kettles are returning to the village. The correct sentence is the kettle is returning to the village. जेंट्री वर्ड का यूज प्लूरल में होता है, सिंगुलर में नहीं. The gentry of the town has been invited. The correct sentence is the gentry of the town have been invited. कई बार लोग बातों में अधूरी शब्दावली का यूज करते हैं, जैसे मतलब अधूरे वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, पूरे वर्ड्स यूज नहीं करते हैं. ऐसे में वो हंसी का पात्र बनते हैं. तो हम इन गलतियों को करने से बचेंगे. This is not my copy. The correct sentence is this is not my copy book. Next is bring some blotting from the office. The correct sentence is bring some blotting paper from the office. Next is she lives in the boarding. The correct sentence is she lives in the boarding house. Next is please put your sign here. The correct sentence is please put your signature here. अधूरी शब्दावली की तरह हमें बोलने और लिखने में फालतू वर्ड से भी बचना चाहिए. Your servant is a coward boy. The correct sentence is your servant is a coward. She is my cousin's sister. The correct sentence is she is my cousin. Now we will learn errors in the use of pronouns. It is me. The correct sentence is it is I. Next is I, you and he will go to Calcutta tomorrow. The correct sentence is you, he and I will go to Calcutta tomorrow. Next is you are wiser than me. The correct sentence is you are wiser than I. Next is let her and I do this work. The correct sentence is let her and me do this work. Next is one should do his duty. The correct sentence is one should do one's duty. Next is everyone must do their best. The correct sentence is everyone must do his best. Next is every man and boy is busy with their work. The correct sentence is every man and boy is busy with his work. Next is these two sisters love one another. The correct sentence is these two sisters love each other. Next is these three sisters love each other. The correct sentence is these three sisters love one another. Next is neither Kanta nor Abida are in the class. The correct sentence is neither Kanta nor Abida is in the class. Next is neither you nor I are lucky. The correct sentence is neither of us is lucky. Next is she has studied neither of these 10 books. The correct sentence is she has studied none of these 10 books. Next is who is this for? The correct sentence is for whom is this? Next is who are you expecting now? The correct sentence is whom are you expecting now? Say whom you think will get the prize. The correct sentence is say who you think will get the prize. Next is who do you think we met? The correct sentence is whom do you think we met? Next is I am enjoying now. The correct sentence is I am enjoying myself now. Next is Jasbir hid behind the wall. The correct sentence is Jasbir hid herself behind the wall. Next is Dai resigned to the will of God. The correct sentence is they resigned themselves to the will of God. Next is we applied heart and soul to the task before us. The correct sentence is we applied our heart and soul to the task before us. Next is which is cleverer, Rajiv or Rakesh? The correct sentence is who is cleverer, Rajiv or Rakesh? Next is please bring mine pen. The correct sentence is please bring my pen. Next is this pen is mine. The correct sentence is this pen is mine. Next is I do not like any of these two books. The correct sentence is I do not like either of these two books. Next is I like not any of these two books. The correct sentence is I like neither of these 2 books. जब मैं, तू और वह, ये जब वर्ड्स अंग्रेजी में यानी इंग्लिश में एक साथ यूज़ किए जाते हैं तो इस क्रम में आते हैं you, he and I. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज let के साथ him, her और me प्रोनाउन आते हैं. he, she, I नहीं आते. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज everyone, every man. इन वर्ड्स के साथ his या her लगता है, their नहीं. लेकिन one जो प्रोनाउन है उसके बाद once लगता है. his, her या their नहीं लगता. दो व्यक्तियों के लिए each other आता है और 3 या 3 से अधिक व्यक्तियों के लिए one another आता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है neither and nor. इसके साथ सिंगुलर यानी is लगता है और ये शब्द दो व्यक्तियों के अर्थ में प्रयोग होते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है बहुत सारी वस्तुओं के बीच कोई भी नहीं अर्थ के लिए none आता है, neither नहीं आता. enjoy, hid, resign, apply, avail, absent. इन क्रियाओं के बाद himself, herself, themselves, yourself, myself, ourselves आदि लगते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज my और mine का अर्थ है मेरा, yours और मेरा, your और yours का अर्थ है तुम्हारा और our व ours का अर्थ है हमारा. लेकिन जब हम इन्हें यूज करते हैं तब my, your, our तब आते हैं जब इनके बाद कोई संज्ञा का शब्द रहता है यानी नाउन रहता है, जैसे my pen, your father, our mother. जब हम इन्हें प्रोनाउन के बाद कोई संज्ञा यानी कोई नाउन शब्द नहीं आता तो प्राय mine, yours, ours आदि जुड़ते हैं. Now, errors in the use of adjectives. You are more stronger than I. The correct sentence is you are stronger than I. Next is she is growing weak and weak every day. The correct sentence is she is growing weaker and weaker every day. Next is Mohan is elder than Salim. The correct sentence is Mohan is older than Salim. Next is Delhi is older than other cities in India. The correct sentence is Delhi is the oldest city in India. Next is Bombay is further from Delhi than Amritsar. The correct sentence is Bombay is farther from Delhi than Amritsar. Next is have you any ink? The correct sentence is do you have some ink? Next is have she much books? The correct sentence is does she have many books? Next is Leela was her oldest daughter. The correct sentence is Leela was her eldest daughter. Next is Leela was the eldest of the two sisters. The correct sentence is Leela was the elder of the two sisters. Next is he is the youngest and most intelligent of my two sons. The correct sentence is he is younger and more intelligent of my two sons. Next is I visited many worth seeing places. The correct sentence is I visited many places worth seeing. Next is I told you the last news. The correct sentence is I told you the latest news. Next is you are junior than I. The correct sentence is you are junior to me. Next is I have less worries than Mohan. The correct sentence is I have fewer worries than Mohan. Next is no less than 50 persons died of cholera. The correct sentence is no fewer than 50 persons died of cholera. Next is this is the worst of the two. The correct sentence is this is worst of the two. Next is after lunch we had no further talk. The correct sentence is after lunch we had no further talk. Next is he wasted his all wealth. The correct sentence is he wasted all his wealth. Next is I prefer cycling more than walking. The correct sentence is I prefer cycling to walking. Next is I am more stronger than he. The correct sentence is I am stronger than he. Next is he is the weakest boy of the two. The correct sentence is he is the weaker boy of the two. Next is I have got few books. The correct sentence is I have got a few books. एल्डर और ओल्डर दोनों का अर्थ होता है दो में से बड़ा, लेकिन एल्डर रियल रिलेशन में ही आता है, जैसे एल्डर ब्रदर, एल्डर सिस्टर। जब दो व्यक्ति या दो वस्तुएं भिन्न भिन्न हों यानी अलग अलग हों, डिफरेंट हों, तो ओल्डर यूज होता है, जैसे मोहन इज ओल्डर दैन सलीम। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एल्डेस्ट और ओल्डेस्ट। दोनों का मीनिंग होता है सबसे बड़ा, पर एल्डर की तरह एल्डेस्ट रियल रिलेशन में आता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज फर्दर और फार्दर। दोनों का मीनिंग होता है दो में से दूर वाला। इन शब्दों का बहुत ध्यान से यूज करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कई न्यूमरल यानी नंबर एडजेक्टिव होते हैं, जैसे मैनी बुक्स, बहुत सी बुक्स, बहुत सी पुस्तकें, और मच एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी, जैसे मच वाटर, बहुत सा पानी। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एडजेक्टिव की तीनों स्टेजेस 3 डिग्रीज का जो यूज होता है वो बहुत ध्यान से करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है मैनी की तरह फ्यू एक नंबर एडजेक्टिव है, और मच की तरह लेस वो भी एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है, जिनका यूज हमें बहुत ध्यान से करना चाहिए। नाउ errors in the use of verbs. First is her father told me that honesty was the best policy. The correct sentence is her father told me that honesty is the best policy. Next is the cashier cum accountant have come. The correct sentence is the cashier cum accountant has come. Next is the cashier and the accountant has come. The correct sentence is the cashier and the accountant have come. Next is can I come in, sir? The correct sentence is may I come in, sir? Next is I am so weak that I may not walk. The correct sentence is I am so weak that I cannot walk. Next is tell me why are you abusing him? The correct sentence is tell me why you are abusing him. Next is Pushpa as well as her other sisters are beautiful. The correct sentence is Pushpa as well as her other sisters is beautiful. Next is I am ill for 2 weeks. The correct sentence is I have been ill for 2 weeks. Next is the ship was drowned. The correct sentence is the ship sank. Next is he has stole a pen. The correct sentence is he has stolen a pen. Next is Dhulip sung well. The correct sentence is Dhulip sang well. Next is Muhammad has often beat me at tennis. The correct sentence is Muhammad has often beaten me at tennis. Next is I laid in bed till 8 in the morning. The correct sentence is I lay in bed till 8 in the morning. Next is I will be drowned and nobody shall save me. The correct sentence is I shall be drowned and nobody will save me. Next is you will leave this place at once. The correct sentence is you shall leave this place at once. Next is we shall not accept defeat. The correct sentence is we will not accept defeat. Next is I should learn to ride if I buy a cycle. The correct sentence is I should learn to ride if I bought a cycle. Next is I never have and I never will do it. The correct sentence is I have never done and I will never do it. Next is neither he came nor he wrote. The correct sentence is neither did he come nor did he write. Next is seldom I go to the hills. The correct sentence is seldom do I go to the hills. Next is this food is hard to be digested. The correct sentence is this food is hard to digest. Next is he ordered to withdraw the army. The correct sentence is he ordered his army to withdraw. Next is each and every father love their children. The correct sentence is each and every father loves his children. Now the correction points are first point कैन और मे का अर्थ है सकना, यानी उनका मीनिंग होता है सकना, लेकिन कैन का यूज़ पावर के अर्थ में होता है, पावर के मीनिंग में होता है, और मे का ऑर्डर के अर्थ में। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एज वेल एज से पहले का सब्जेक्ट यदि सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर का ही होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, जब सेंटेंस वाई आदि वर्ड्स के साथ इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म में रहता है तो वाई आर यू की जगह वाई यू आर होता है। ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में क्वेश्चन मार्क भी नहीं लगता। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है ड्रॉन और सिंक, दोनों का मीनिंग है डूबना, लेकिन वस्तु के डूबने के अर्थ में ड्रॉन आता है और बेजान वस्तु के यानी जिसमें जान नहीं होती उसके डूबने में सिंक आता है। जिसमें जान होती है उसमें ड्रॉन आता है और जिसमें जान नहीं होती है उसमें सिंक वर्ड यूज होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है नॉर्मली फ्यूचर को बताने के लिए आई वी के साथ शेल और ही शी दे और यू के साथ विल लगता है, लेकिन यदि दृढ़ निश्चय दिखाना हो या धमकी दिखाना हो तो उल्टा यूज होता है, जैसे आई वी के साथ विल और ही शी दे यू के साथ शेल यूज होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है शेल का पास्ट टेंस का रूप शुड होता है। जिन सेंटेंसेस में शुड का इस तरह यूज हो उस वाक्य में उस सेंटेंस में दूसरा वर्ब भी पास्ट टेंस का आएगा। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है नाइदर और सेल्डम, नाइदर एंड सेल्डम, इनका मीनिंग नेगेटिव होता है। जब हम इनका सेंटेंस में यूज करते हैं तो डू और डिड का यूज होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है हिज का संबंध फादर से है चिल्ड्रन से नहीं, इसलिए लास्ट सेंटेंस में हिज करेक्ट वर्ड है। नाउ एरर्स इन द यूज ऑफ एडवर्ब्स। I play basketball good. The correct sentence is I play basketball well. Next sentence is I am very much sorry. The correct sentence is I am very sorry. Next is it is much cold today. The correct sentence is it is very cold today. Next is the horse is too tired. The correct sentence is the horse is very tired. Next is this girl is very poor to pay her dues. The correct sentence is this girl is too poor to pay her dues. Next is she is too weak for walk. The correct sentence is she is too weak to walk. Next is I am too pleased. The correct sentence is I am much pleased. Next is we slowly walked. The correct sentence is we walked slowly. Next is we should only fear God. The correct sentence is we should fear God only. Next is this house is enough large for them. The correct sentence is this house is large enough for them. Next is he doesn't know to swim. The correct sentence is he doesn't know how to swim. Next is I don't know to do it. The correct sentence is I don't know how to do it. Next is don't run fastly. The correct sentence is don't run fast. Next is, she is not clever to do it. The correct sentence is, she is not clever enough to do it. Next is, he explained clearly his case. The correct sentence is, he explained his case clearly. Next is, you have done it very quick. The correct sentence is, you have done it very quickly. Next is, it's too hot. The correct sentence is, it's very hot. Next is, it's very hot to play tennis. The correct sentence is, it's too hot to play tennis. Next is, Pune is known for its figs. The correct sentence is, Pune is well known for its figs. Next is, I went directly to school. The correct sentence is, I went direct to school. Next is, I feel comparatively better today. The correct sentence is, I feel better today. Next is, he runs fastly. The correct sentence is, he runs fast. Next is, the child walks slow. The correct sentence is, the child walks slowly. Next is, I am very delighted to see you. The correct sentence is, I am much delighted to see you. Next is, he is now too strong to walk. The correct sentence is, he is now strong enough to walk. Now the correction work. First point is, well की जगह good. Adjective well adverb and good adjective का यूज अच्छा नहीं है. well की जगह good का यूज अच्छा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू और वेरी दोनों का अर्थ है बहुत, पर टू के बाद रिलेटिव शब्द टू जुड़ता है, मीन्स TO2 जुड़ता है. जैसे शी इज टू वीक टू वॉक. वह इतनी अधिक कमजोर है कि चल फिर नहीं सकती. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज स्लोली एंड क्लियरली. आदि सभी एडवर्ब्स वर्ब के बाद जुड़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कई लोग कंपैरेटिवली बेटर कहते हैं. जब बेटर में ही दो से अच्छा होने का भाव है, दोनों में से अच्छा होने का भाव है, तो कंपैरेटिवली नहीं यूज करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है ही इज नाउ टू स्ट्रॉन्ग टू वॉक. यह सेंटेंस इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि इसका अर्थ होगा वह इतना शक्तिशाली है कि चल फिर नहीं सकता. अर्थ इससे उल्टा है, इसलिए टू स्ट्रॉन्ग की जगह स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ लगेगा. नाउ एरर्स इन द यूज ऑफ कंजंक्शंस. फर्स्ट इज though he works hard but he is weak. The correct sentence is though he works hard yet he is weak. Next is the teacher asked that why I was late. The correct sentence is the teacher asked why I was late. Next is wait here till I do not come. The correct sentence is wait here till I come. Next is no sooner we reached the station, the train started. The correct sentence is no sooner did we reach the station than the train started. Next is not only he abused me but also beat me. The correct sentence is not only did he abuse me but beat me also. Next is we had hardly gone out before it began to rain. The correct sentence is we had hardly gone out when it began to rain. Next is run fast lest you should not be late. The correct sentence is run fast lest you should be late. Next is as Satish is fat, so he walks slowly. The correct sentence is as Satish is fat, he walks slowly. Next is I doubt that she will pass this year. The correct sentence is I doubt whether she will pass this year. Next is when I reached there, then it was raining. The correct sentence is when I reached there, it was raining. Next is although he is poor, but he is honest. The correct sentence is although he is poor, yet he is honest. Next is wait here until I do not come. The correct sentence is wait here till I come. Next is unless you do not try, you will never succeed. The correct sentence is unless you try, you will never succeed. Next is there is no such country which you mention. The correct answer is there is no such country as you mention. Next is he had scarcely reached the station than the train started. The correct answer is he had scarcely reached the station when the train started. Now the correction work. कुछ वर्ड्स आपस में एक साथ यूज होते हैं जैसे दो एंड येट, नो सूनर और दैन, नॉट ओनली एंड बट ऑल्सो। हार्डली, हार्डली के साथ यूज होता है व्हेन। लेस्ट, लेस्ट के साथ यूज होता है शुड। ऑल्दो, ऑल्दो के साथ यूज होता है येट। सच के साथ यूज होता है एज और स्केर्सली के साथ यूज होता है व्हेन। दो के साथ येट आएगा बट नहीं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज नो सूनर नॉट ओनली। नेगेटिव वर्ड्स हैं इसलिए डू और डिड का यूज इनके बाद होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है लेस्ट। लेस्ट का मीनिंग होता है ऐसा ना हो कि, इसलिए लेस्ट के बाद शुड आएगा, शुड नॉट नहीं आएगा। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है एज के साथ रिलेटिव शब्द के रूप में सो नहीं जुड़ता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इंग्लिश में when के बाद, when के आगे then नहीं आता. Now errors in the use of prepositions. First is my mother loves with me. The correct sentence is my mother loves me. Next is he reached at the station. The correct sentence is he reached the station. Next is he ordered for my dismissal. The correct sentence is he ordered my dismissal. Next is Rajiv married with your cousin. The correct sentence is Rajiv married your cousin. Next is Amitabh entered into the room. The correct sentence is Amitabh entered the room. Use of by. First sentence is what is the time in your watch? The correct sentence is what's the time by your watch? Next is they went to Banaras in train. The correct sentence is they went to Banaras by train. Next is she was killed with a robber. The correct sentence is she was killed by a robber. Use of with. First sentence is he is angry upon me. The correct sentence is he is angry with me. Next is are you angry on her? The correct sentence is are you angry with her? Next is my principal is pleased from me. The correct sentence is my principal is pleased with me. Next is wash your face in water. The correct sentence is wash your face with water. Next is the dacoit was killed by a sword. The correct sentence is the dacoit was killed with a sword. Next is compare Akbar to Rana Pratap. Correct sentence is compare Akbar with Rana Pratap. Next is she covered her face by her shawl. The correct sentence is she covered her face with her shawl. Now use of at. First sentence is open your book on page 10. The correct sentence is open your book at page 10. Next is Ram lives in Sonipat. The correct sentence is Ram lives at Sonipat. Next is why did you laugh on the beggar? The correct sentence is why did you laugh at the beggar? Next is who is knocking on the door? The correct sentence is who is knocking at the door? Next is the train arrived on the platform. The correct sentence is the train arrived at the platform. Now use of on. First is we go to school by foot. The correct sentence is we go to school on foot. Next is we congratulate you for your success. The correct sentence is we congratulate you on your success. Next is the writers set the house to fire. The correct sentence is the writers set the house on fire. Next is the house was built over the ground. The correct sentence is the house was built on the ground. Next is father spent a lot of money at her wedding. The correct sentence is father spent a lot of money on her wedding. Now use of to. First is Vimal was married with Shyam. The correct sentence is Vimal was married to Shyam. Next is you are very kind on me. The correct sentence is you are very kind to me. Next is we should pray God every day. The correct sentence is we should pray to God every day. Next is I won't listen what you say. The correct sentence is I won't listen to what you say. Next is I object at your statement. Next is I object at your statement. The correct sentence is I object to your statement. Use of in. Swatantra Kumari lives at Bombay. The correct sentence is Swatantra Kumari lives in Bombay. Next is he was walking into the garden. The correct sentence is he was walking in the garden. Next is please write with ink. The correct sentence is please write in ink. Next is I have no faith upon your story. The correct sentence is I have no faith in your story. Next is the rain will cease after a little while. The correct sentence is the rain will cease in a little while. Use of into. First sentence is divide the cake in 5 parts. The correct sentence is divide the cake into 5 parts. Next is please look in the matter. The correct sentence is please look into the matter. Next is she jumped in the river. The correct sentence is she jumped into the river. Next is I fear that she will fall in the hands of robbers. The correct sentence is I fear that she might fall into the hands of robbers. Next is translate this passage in Hindi. The correct sentence is translate this passage into Hindi. use of of. First is she died from plague. The correct sentence is she died of plague. Next is we are proud on our country. The correct sentence is we are proud of our country. Next is the child is afraid from you. The correct sentence is the child is afraid of you. Next is Hamida is not jealous to Abdul. The correct sentence is Hamida is not jealous of Abdul. Next is we should take care for our books. The correct sentence is we should take care of our books. Next is he died from hunger. The correct sentence is he died of hunger. Use of from. My shirt is different to your. The correct sentence is my shirt is different from yours. Next is my mother prevented him of going to cinema. The correct sentence is his mother prevented him from going to cinema. Next is I commenced work since 14th July. The correct sentence is I commenced work from 14th July. Next is he hindered me to do this. The correct sentence is he hindered me from doing this. Next, use of for. Next is he won't be there before 4 months. The correct sentence is he won't be there for 4 months. Next is the employer blames her of carelessness. The correct sentence is the employer blames her for carelessness. Next is 3 scholarships are competed. The correct sentence is 3 scholarships are competed for. Next is free meals should be provided with the poor children. The correct sentence is free meals should be provided for the poor children. Next is who cares of you? The correct sentence is who cares for you? Now the use of between, among, since, up, against. The sentence is distribute the fruit among Kamla and Vimla. The correct sentence is distribute the fruit between Kamla and Vimla. Next is divide this money between these girls. The correct sentence is divide this money among these girls. Next is Rakesh has been absent from college from last Monday. The correct sentence is Rakesh has been absent from college since last Monday. Next is he tore away the bills. The correct sentence is he tore up the bills. Next is the English fought with the Russians. The correct sentence is the English fought against Russians. Today we have learned how to remove errors in English. We'll meet in next video with another topic.